Welcome to Dave Arbogast, your exclusive SCA performance dealer. We have over 50 new and used lifted trucks ready for delivery. Let's take a look. This is a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. It's an SLT Black Widow lifted truck with a 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine with dynamic fuel management and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The exterior color is satin steel metallic. The interior is jet black leather, and it also has the custom embroidered Black Widow headrests. Red LED interior ambient lighting. These are 22-inch SCA gloss black wheels with 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires. Now, while this Black Widow is of course a status symbol, this also has the max trailering package that includes a 9.76 rear axle, revised shock tuning and heavy-duty rear springs, as well as increased rear gross axle weight rating. A 220 amp alternator and an enhanced cooling radiator complete this 5.3-liter V8 engine. Now, what good is a luxury truck without luxury features? This comes complete with the SLT Premium Plus package. It includes things such as ventilated front seats, power sliding rear window, USB ports with aux connection, and full outlet, wireless phone charging pad. This also comes with an 8-inch HD color touchscreen with GMC premium infotainment systems. It comes complete with such features as navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capabilities. Heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seat buttons for both the front passengers, push button start, backup camera with Hitch view and guidance, premium Bose surround sound system, premium Black Widow gauges, dual steering wheel controls. In addition to functionality, this also has the driver alert package too, which includes things such as rear parking assist, front pedestrian braking, and IntelliBeam headlamps. Universal garage door openers. This has tilt and telescoping steering column, where you can go up, down, in, and out. Power folding and unfolding side mirrors. Black Widow fender flares. Black Widow side steps. And exclusive Black Widow hood scoop. Black front recovery hooks. And Black Widow premium badging throughout the vehicle. Give you the stylishness of a Black Widow package on a Sierra 1500. Storage capabilities include hidden storage in the back of these seats, as well as storage underneath. And these are the connection ports for the rear seats, and also these are heated outboard seats. Call 888-919-1635 to schedule your VIP test drive and find out why Dave Arbogast is driven to satisfaction.